Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So in today video we will see what is the loop in the JavaScript and how to use loop. So basically if you are coming from any other programming language, so already know what is the loop. So you can skip this video or you can see what is the syntax in the JavaScript, how it looks. Okay. So uh, basically we have two type of condition. One is for, okay, and syntax is we can write syntax initialization, then condition, and in- increment, decrement. Or we can do any operation also. We can say any operation. So basically, this is the syntax of for loop, and you will see basically what is this. But you can, I will use this term, this syntax to highlight what is the for loop. So I am having one array and here I am having some of the cool player. First is Thala for region. Okay. Second, Kohli. Third player is Rohit. And fourth player is our silencer Cummins. So these are the four players. So in array, basically these are the four elements. So we use for loop or while loop basically on iterating over the array. This is a basic case. Okay, we will see through through example provided in this video, and we can also use we can also use for loop for the multiple condition, but we will use basically array here. For example, if we want to iterate the array, okay, then what will I do? Our for syntax is this. First, we will initialize one variable and we will initialize the value. Okay, so for I equal to 0, here I will initialize one variable and I am doing I less than array dot length. And after that, I am incrementing, decrementing array. I can do any operation. So array dot length is the function to find the length of the array. So here I can do one thing. I can denote what is array I. I am consoling what is array I. If I do console here, node while, so I am getting Thala for region, Kohli, Rohit, Cummins. I am iterating over the array. Okay. This is basic example of for loop. We can also do one thing. Uh, we will have one count. Okay, count equal to 0. And each time while we are iterating the array, we will doing count plus plus. Okay. So count, we will also console count after the fully executing of for loop. If I will do again this thing, I will run this program. We are getting count as 4 and length of array is also 4. We can find the length simply by using count plus plus or array dot length. Okay. So this is the for loop. We are iterating over the array. Suppose if we want to iterate, we want to show first last element, we have to iterate from last to beginning. Okay. So what will we do? We will initialize array equal to I dot length. We will point I to the last element and I greater than 0 will be condition and I will do decrement I each time. Then what will happen? We will got array in reverse order. Cummins, Rohit, Kohli and Thala for region there. Oh, we are getting undefined also. Why? Because I less than equal to, okay. We have to iterate from array length minus 1 from this value. Because if array is having length 4, then last index will be 3. So we are initializing I equal to array dot length minus 1. Now we are getting Cummins, Rohit, Kohli, Thala for region and at that 4. Okay. Uh, Now we can do one more thing. I am having one array here and I am making this as index and this is empty array. Okay. I am consoling array I and I am also pushing in this array. value of y. And at the end, I will see what is the index array. So you can see here we are getting the four output Cummins, Rohit, Kohli, and Thalapur region. And we are pushing also I each time in the array, index array. So we are getting 3210. Okay. Now we will use again the same example and we will see how while loop basically work here. Okay. So I will have the start equal to 0. This is a start index. Okay. Yeah, current index. I can say current index. And if I have to iterate over the array, I will do simple one thing. While current index less than array dot length. This is the condition. Okay. And I will do console again, same thing. Console dot log array current index. And if I will run this program, oh, we are getting Thalap origin and program is not stopping. Why? Because our current index is 0 and we are executing this code. So each time while this condition will be checked, our correct index is 0 and which will be always less than array dot length. That's why our uh, this is infinite loop. This is the classic example of infinite loop. Basically our program is stuck. So how to fix that? We will use simple thing here. Each time after wasting in the while loop, we will also increment current index plus plus. Current index will point then to the next element. Now, if I will run this program, then I will got Thalap origin, Kohli, Rohit, and Kapils. Okay. There is also we can use break statement. What is break? Again, I am showing the same thing. So this was our index, and I am having while loop at bottom. Okay. So this was our array and current index. Suppose if our player is Rohit, if I am checking, if array I double equal to Rohit, then break. Okay. And I will put this condition at last. Just look. I'm checking. And I'm seeing what is the break basically here. So if I will run now program, I will got only answer as Cummins and Rohit. What happened? I checked it first listed to the last element through the for loop. Okay. I console the Cummins and in the index Cummins is pushed. Okay. Means 3 is pushed. Basically we are pushing I. Again, we went to the Rohit. We are consoling array I Rohit, and in index array we are putting the index, which is basically I, and we are checking if A or I double equal to Rohit, then break, and if we are using break, then we will not visit, we will not reiterate for next loop, next condition. Okay, we are continuously for loop. Suppose if I will do the simple thing, I am not pushing index. That will be the better example. And I am doing array initializing the same thing. I am wasting iterating array from start to last. Okay. Now if I will run this program, uh, I have to also console.log array I have deleted something, I guess. What I have deleted, I don't know. Okay, I will check again. ठीक है. So this was the our condition. ठीक है, and we are consoling. Yeah, okay. I missed the spelling mistake. Yes. Okay. So now if I will run this program, so I'm getting output Thala for region, Kohli and Rohit. It checked. Okay, player is Rohit. Then it is not consoling anything. Then basically we are getting out of this block. Okay. If I will do here console.log out of block also out of loop. So what will happen again? And now I am putting this condition. before. First, we will check if array I is Rohit, then we will break. Otherwise, we will console array. So now we will see only two player. Thala for region, console Thala for region. Next time Kohli. Next time it checked Rohit. Okay. Then it will execute break statement. And after executing break statement, we will not execute this line. We will basically go out from the for loop. We went out from the for loop and next line will be print. Okay. Same thing can we can also do in while loop. Same thing. Okay. I will check the same condition. If and what will I do now? Here in while loop. I will not do while loop. You go to the internet and check. Okay, this is really boring. Chalo, bye bye. You like this video? Then subscribe this channel, like this video, and do whatever you want.